Step 1. Import 3D geometry. You can easily import 3D models from a range of softwares like Google SketchUp, AutoCAD, Rhino, Revit, etc. Step 2. Set up sources and receivers. You can set up many different types of sound sources in Odeon. Here we use an omnidirectional point source. And set up receivers in the listening positions. Step 3. Set up materials. Set up materials with absorption coefficients for the surfaces in the model. Either use the Odeon library or add your own data. Step 4. Calculate. Odeon calculates a huge range of acoustical parameters. Display these in graphs, numbers, sound maps, or listen to generated sound files. Learn more on odeon.dk.